What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm the Jedi Ninja, and today you're gonna learn to swing a sword like a slayer from Epic Games' action RPG title, Dauntless. So whether you've got an LED FX saber, a broom handle, a bow can like this, or you just found a random stick in the woods, you're gonna be able to learn and perform these combos that I'm about to teach you. So without any further ado, let's get started. So today, we're gonna start with our light attack combos for our sword wielding slayers. These are called quad crosses and triple elements. The reason why we're beginning with these two specific combinations is because they both begin with the same 3 strikes. Let's get into it and learn those right now. Starting on my left hip, I'm gonna raise my sword up over my shoulder, grab, and step. I'm gonna bring my tip of my blade diagonally down across, let go, and take my attack stance, ready for strike number 2. From here, I'm gonna bring my blade around my head, step, and diagonally strike to the left, keeping both hands on the blade. We're gonna do that over. Ready? Nice and slow. Raise it up. Step. Diagonal strike, let go. Attack stance. Around the head. Step. Diagonal strike to the left. Don't let go. From here, I'm gonna switch my feet. Bring the blade up, down, diagonally to the right, and let go again. So from here, diagonal strike down to the left, up and behind me, switch my feet, diagonal strike down, let go. And that is the first 3 strikes of both quad crosses and triple elements. Let's do it a little faster. Up, step, strike. Around the head, step, strike. Switch feet, up, strike. Practice ad nauseum. What we're gonna learn next are the ending pieces for quad crosses and triple elements respectively. Let's get started. So now that we've learned the first 3 strikes that begin quad crosses and triple elements, it's time to learn the moves that make those combinations what they are. So to do that, we're gonna learn the footwork of quad crosses first. We're gonna put our sword down. We're gonna pretend we've got our sword in our hand. We're gonna enter that final 3rd strike position right here. I'm looking out this way. I'm gonna turn my wrist. I'm gonna step and bring the sword down. Hands come together in front of me. I'm going to lift my back leg and hop. My hands together, strike down again, and swing the sword behind me. That's the move. We're gonna do it a little bit faster now. No sword yet. We're gonna start here. Sword behind us. We're gonna turn it. Step down together. Up, down, switch, and release. Just like so. Now guys, slow that down, rewind it, practice it. We're gonna pick our swords up, see how it looks. All right, we're back, sword in hand. We're looking at our target, we're focused on our footwork. We're gonna turn the wrist, bring it down, around, hands together. Lift the foot up, down and through. Once again, a little bit faster. Just like so. Now, to put them all together. So now that we've learned each of the moves for quad crosses, we're gonna perform the entire combo in sequence. Ready? We're gonna need a little bit more room for that. So here we go. Hands on the hilt, up, down and through, around the head, down, switch, down and let go, and quad crosses is done. Get it down, learn it, let me know how it goes. We're gonna move into triple elements. So now that we've learned quad crosses, we're gonna learn what makes triple elements a different combination. And that's in swing number 4. This one has 5 strikes, quad crosses had 4 complete strikes. So we're gonna get into position number 3. Swords back. Instead of stepping forward and bringing it down for our hop step, we're going to switch our feet across for a big baseball swing horizontally. Now, that foot gets to step. The sword stays in place. I come around and I switch hands. As I bring myself around, that's where the hop step comes in and a nice big downward strike. You can see that together. Position number 3. Side step, baseball swing horizontally. Step, switch, down and across. That makes triple elements. So now that we've gained all the pieces for triple elements, let's see it in sequence. Sword and hilt on the scabbard. Up, step, down. Step, around, down. Switch, big, downward diagonal. Switch, baseball swing. Step, hand switch, down and around. That's it, guys. Thanks for joining me today, guys, with How to Swing a Sword Like a Slayer Part 1. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more weapon wielding content, including techniques from your favorite video game character. That was so close! Where I teach you how to swing. Ah! Thanks for joining me today, guys. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more weapon wielding content, including techniques from your favorite video game characters, to include Dauntless and Star Wars Battlefront 2, just to name a few. I like that, that rhymed. If that's not enough, join me every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for my live videos where I play some of your favorite games with my friends. Every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I said that twice. It was so close.
I think you should just end the video right there. with all the bloopers in there.
All right, I'm good. Let's try it one more time. Thanks for joining me today, guys, on How to Swing a Sword Like a Slayer Part 1. Stay tuned for Part 2 coming soon, where I teach you guys the heavy combinations. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like down below and subscribe for more weapon wielding content from your favorite video games. I'm the Jedi Ninja. Stay out of trouble, make good choices, and may the Force be with you. And I forgot to tell you that I forgot to tell you that I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, playing some of your favorite video games with my friends, like Meaty_Yogurt Gaming. We're gonna cut that there. I'm done.
I want you to walk off the camera too.
I'm doing that. That's it, right there.
I'm done.